Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Another update at the house. I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing today. I will give you some more information. We're breaking down the wall and putting up a new gate, and because this borehole is not producing water like they said it would, we have to do a new borehole. So in order to do that, we have to break the wall and put a gate. So I'm going to show you what's going on with that. All right, stay tuned. The next video clip you're going to see is how we had to fill the road in on the other side of this wall. We had to hire a excavator, or I'm not sure what it's called. I'm sure you guys will let me know. We had to hire a person to come with a machine, and this is gonna eventually be a road between our wall and they call it the forest, but it's just a little patch of trees right there. So there's gonna eventually be a road there that will give people to this property access to their home. And because nobody uses it, it developed some ditches and stuff where the borehole driller truck cannot get through. So we had to fill that. So in the next clip you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you how they did that.
Aye.
Praise the Lord. Here we are again. The wall is broken through, and they're working on setting the pillars now. I'll show you how it is. So this is how it is. This is how they fix the road. We'll use this here for a ramp, and then that's how the rest of the road is. Nobody uses it right now, so this is how it is. I'll show you later. We're gonna fix this gate. Got the pillars going in. Gotta put the wood here to close up the, close it up. So that's what it is.